In this video, we will run the scenario to create the multi-line PDF invoice. With the exception of adding some error handling, the scenario is complete. So I'm going to run this once. So once again, I'm going to click on my PDF link and submit this form to fire the scenario. You can see the scenario triggers on the right hand side. We're now at converting to PDF, uploading the file, and then sending the callback. And then we have our PDF here. So I can click on the link to open the PDF in Knack. And as you can see, all of the fields are merged correctly, including the looped multiple line items for the invoice. Finally, the last thing to consider is error handling. Sometimes on the upload file or update a record module, you can encounter an error. Under the tools section, there are different types of directives. I recommend either using the break error handler, or in this case I would prefer the ignore error handler. The break error handler would automatically retry, but the webhook responder, which we have at the end of the scenario, would time out after 40 seconds, so the table wouldn't automatically refresh. For this particular use case, I'm using the ignore error handler, and if I just connect that to the module here, there is nothing you need to configure. It will simply ignore this error. So if something happens with this module, it will pass it through to the error handler. The scenario won't be switched off and it won't fall over, it will just stop. That means the user would simply have to resubmit the form again to run the scenario. So I'm just going to copy this and put it onto the other module. And now I'm just going to come down here and auto align my scenario. So I have ignore handlers on both of those modules and simply save, and that scenario is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this video series. If you got some value from it, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you need any tutoring, training or coaching, please reach out to me via my website. Be very happy to connect and see if I can help.